tristes, tigres, no. Hola caracoles y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Cori, I am Cory, and I am one of the Spanish teachers here at Spring Spanish. In today's video, I'm going to show you 17 of the most popular Spanish trabalenguas, tongue twisters, so you can impress your friends by talking like a true Latino or Latina. Many people from abroad find the pronunciation un poco difícil, a bit hard. But after this video, you are going to be rolling those R's and pronouncing some other difficult Spanish words like it's nada, nothing. So see this as some fun Spanish pronunciation practice. We are going through them from el más fácil al más difícil, from the easiest to the hardest. And at the end of the video, I will challenge you to learn and say a very difficult trabalenguas, tongue twister. So, are you up for the challenge? Comencemos! To practice R or rolled R. Dábale arroz a la zorra el abad. The abbot gave rice to the fox. Rápido corren los carros cargados de azúcar del ferrocarril. The wagons loaded with sugar from the railroad run fast. Y el difícil, the hardest. El perro de San Roque no tiene rabo porque Ramón Ramírez se lo ha robado. The San Roque dog does not have a tail because Ramón Ramírez has stolen it. Nota importante, important note. A lot of these phrases don't make any sense, but the translation I'm giving you is a bit loose. However, I bet you can already identify words such as perro or rápido, right? To practice TR or tr. El dragón tragó carbón. The glutton dragon swallowed coal. Tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. Three sad tigers swallowed wheat in a wheat field. 33 tramos de troncos trozaron tres tristes trozadores de troncos. 33 lengths of logs chopped three sad long splitters. To practice CH or che. Me han dicho que has dicho un dicho. They told me that you said a saying. Pancha plancha con cuatro planchas. Pancha irons with 4 irons. Ahora el difícil, now the hard one. Chiquito, chanchito, cochinito, echado en la charca está. Little pig, lying in the pond it is. To practice ñ. Remember, ñ is one of the letters that doesn't exist in English, but only in Spanish. Mi ñaño es ñoño. My brother is nerd. And here I have an important note for you. In some countries in Latin America, people call their brothers ñaño. And in countries like Ecuador, ñaño is also used to talk about a close friend. Una araña sueña con una cabaña que tiene una telaraña. A spider dreams with a hut that has a spider web. Ahora el difícil. Now the tough one. Ñoño Yáñez come ñame en la mañana con el niño. Silly Yáñez eats yams in the mornings with the boy. To practice Y and double L, that sounds like Y. Hoy ya es ayer y ayer ya es hoy. Today is already yesterday and yesterday is already today. En una pesadilla, Padilla subió la resbaladilla con una ardilla. In a nightmare, Padilla climbed the slide with a squirrel. ¿Qué sueño más extraño? What a strange dream. Difícil. Tough. Que vaya a caballo, boyullo, vallano, con Bayo la valle a Bayona. Let boyullo, vallano ride with Bayo la valle to Bayona. ¿Qué tal vas hasta ahora? How are you doing so far? ¿Cuál fue el más difícil de pronunciar? Which was the most difficult to pronounce? ¿Listo para el desafío? Ready for the challenge? I have 2 trabalenguas, 2 tongue twisters for you. So here we go. El niño está sosegado. ¿Quién lo desasosegará? El desasosegador que la desasosiegue, buen desasosegador será. The child is calm. The one who uncalms it, a good person to not keeping him calm will be. Because there is not a translation for this, guys, okay? This is very hard. No traducción, no translation here. Jamás juntes a jinetes con los jóvenes germánicos, ni generes germicidas, ni congeles gelatinas, ni ajusticias a juristas en sus juntas judiciales. Never join horsemen with Germanic youth or generate germicides or freeze jellies or execute jurists in their judicial meetings. Muy bien! Did you find this hard? Which trabalenguas was your favorite? Or which one was impossible to pronounce? Let me know in the comments. And also, let me know if you were able to do the challenge. No pares de practicar. Don't stop practicing. And you will see that you will be able to pronounce all of them. Feel free to check out the other videos of me and the other Spring Spanish teachers on our channel for Spanish. We also have a free, more in-depth Spanish training on our website where you will discover the method that we use to have you speak in Spanish super rápido, super fast. There, you can also find some free samples for Spanish lessons. So if you're interested, just click the link in the description below. Así que eso fue todo por hoy. That was all for today. I hope you had fun. I certainly did. Muchas gracias y nos vemos hasta la próxima. Yay! Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share the video with your friends.